Hello and welcome back to our 7-part series of Summer Bodies. This video is part 5 of a 7-part series of principles to be present with and how to ground your body for the summer. This is a different summer body series than maybe you've watched, and hopefully that's a good thing. This is tip 5. I want you to make a list of 5 parts of your body that you spend the most time thinking about. Just 5. Maybe there's more. Maybe there's only 1. But I want you to make a list of try to get to 5 parts of your body that you think about the most. Maybe 5 parts of your body that you spend the most time with. And I want you to organize them in categories of what parts of my body really, what are those 5 parts? How do they show up for me in ways that I haven't thought about before? Maybe it's your thighs. You think about your thighs a lot. Your thighs actually carry you throughout the day. They are a big part of you, and they hold up a lot. They're really connected to a lot of roots and wounds and trauma. They're really near your core. They are worthy. They're worthy to be seen. What parts of your body really serve you in unique ways? And I want you to think about the different parts of your body as different pillars in your life, or maybe different friends in your life that play different roles. And what roles have they played for you? What roles have they served you? Maybe they've distracted you. Maybe what comes up when you even notice your belly in a different way besides a belly that you don't like. How has it served you? Maybe think about different times of your life where you really loved your belly. What did it look like? What did it feel like? And how did you do to get that? And sometimes we think about parts of ourselves that we really like, but we've actually done some really dysfunctional things to like them. That's not love. That's manipulation. And manipulation never works out very well. At least not in a joyful, connected life. Not in a grounded life, which is probably why you're watching this. So tip 5, I want you to make a list of 5 parts of your body and then consider how they're serving you like a friend would. And friends we typically want to spend time with. So spend time with your body, getting to know it and understand it and somatically feel what that's like. And if you have any questions, reach out. Some of this work can be hard doing alone, but if you're able to do it with a safe, trusted advisor, maybe do an exercise with them. As always, I am accepting new patients, but this is not the point of this. This is a 7-part series on being with your body and connecting with your body. And stay tuned for part 6.